Hey guys, what's going on? Real quick, just before today's video, I just want to say a couple things. Number one, thank you guys for 400 subscribers. Holy cow, I did not think that we were going to get to 400 subscribers. I'm going on a year, almost a year now in August when I first started Theme Park Express, and I didn't think I was going to get to 400 subscribers, let alone 100 subscribers. So the fact that a few of you guys out there actually tune in every week and give me a watch is absolutely fantastic. It's quite humbling, and I'm so excited to have you guys along for the ride because we have so much more planned in the future. Number two, in case you're new to what's going on here in the last few videos, Koda and I went to Busch Gardens and Disney all in one day, and we did 4 parks in one day. So each park has been an individual video. So this is park number 3 that you're going to see now, and you'll see at the start of the video I'll say this is park number 3. If you want to go back and see the other parks, Busch Gardens and Hollywood Studios, from earlier in the same day, then go ahead and click the link in the description below. I'll have a link to the other 2 videos. And after this, we have one more video where we'll be going to Magic Kingdom to check out some of the Incredibles Tomorrowland Expo stuff that's going on over there. So yeah, just wanted to get that out of the way real quick before today's video. Thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. Super excited. Later on in this month, Koda and I have something really excited. It's going to bring a lot of content for you guys. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait for it. So I hope you guys are excited too. With that, I am off. I will see you guys in the next video. Now, roll intro.
I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to park number 3. It has been a hot minute since I've been inside this park. Holy moly. I totally missed this park. We have fast passes for this park too, so I'm excited. Yay! I'm so excited. So Everest was our first fast pass of the day. That got me confused the heck out of me for a second. I ain't paying attention. This guy. This guy in front of us right here confused the hell out of me. Anyways, Everest was our first fast pass of the day. Lots and lots of fun. Does anyone else hate the backwards part? Like, everything else in that ride is great, but the backwards part, yeah, no, not necessarily for me. I hate that part. But yeah, we have one more fast pass for this park, and that's Dinosaur. And we brought little dinosaur plushes for these rides to take pictures. So I'm gonna put the picture from Everest in here now so that you can see that one what we did with the dinosaurs. And then when we actually ride the actual ride Dinosaur, I have other plans for that ride. So it's gonna be fun. We're just over here being goofballs in the park, because what else can you do at Disney? It's just be a goofball in the park. Anyways, we're really hot. We're gonna get some ice cream. What in the world is going on over here? There's a bunch of fake snow everywhere. So as part of Disney's incredible summer of overlays, they have put in Donald's Dino Bash over in Dinoland USA here at Animal Kingdom. It's interesting. They have the logo everywhere, but so far I have yet to see Donald. Only Dinosaur Chip and Dale, which they are adorable, I will agree, and they have the dance party. But that's basically about it as far as the overlay is concerned for the Dino Bash. Yeah, it's just a bunch of signage. And then further down that way, when we walk back down that way as we're leaving the park, we'll look at the dinosaur over there, and yeah, it has a Donald hat on it. So, it could have been better. Could have been better. Then again, I haven't been here the whole day, so I don't know what else it entails. So, we'll see. That's how you know it's Memorial Day weekend. This area of the park is exceptionally crowded, and Countdown to Extinction is a 40-minute wait. Yes! That's what this ride used to be called. Back when it was scary and good.
Now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramid. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything!
So that run through of Dinosaur was absolutely fantastic. We were in the very back and in the corner. So that's like the greatest seat as far as being tossed and turned around all over the place. Plus, we did the thing that I told you we were gonna do when we brought the little stuffed dinosaurs onto the ride. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that picture in right here so you guys can see that. That was an awesome ride through of Dinosaur. But I think that's gonna about do it for us here at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna head on out and we're gonna hit park number 4 for the day. It's kind of crazy. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. We don't have too much planned for Magic Kingdom. We're planning on staying till about 10, 11 o'clock-ish. But there's still plenty of stuff that we can get done. Let's go and walk around that way. There's still plenty of stuff that we can get done. So yeah, I'm super excited. Plus, we're hoping to try some new food over there at the Magic Kingdom. But we'll explain that a bit more in the next vlog. So we're gonna head back out to the car, and it's raining again. It's raining again. It's been raining on and off all day, but it's like partly cloudy, so it's like a light sprinkle. Anyways, we're heading back to the car now. So one more thing that I wanted to point out for the Donald's Dino Bash layover for Dinoland USA, on top of the dinosaur that is up here, it's kind of hard to tell, but there is a Donald hat on top of that dinosaur, which isn't normally there, but some people are saying it looks tacky, really tacky. I mean, I don't care. I don't look up most of the time anyways. It's a small little detail that's kind of cool in my opinion. You know, it's just a little detail, not anything massive, but it's not even going to be there permanently. So I don't know why people are freaking out about it. But yeah, about does it for Donald's Dino Bash. Nothing too crazy, but still fun for the kids. So kids, this is what a state of emergency looks like in Florida. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful sunset. Just one more park.
3 parks down, 1 to go.
My legs hurt. I know you're recording me.
Are you sure?
Yes, I heard the pee-pee.
I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
heard the pee-pee-boopity. It's hot. It's not really hot. It's humid. I sweat when it's really freaking humid.
You sweat all the time.
That's true. I am disgusting. But that was fun. That was fun. Real quick trip. We got 2 rides done. Got some ice cream. That was fun. Took some awesome dino ride pictures. Yeah. 3 parks down, 1 to go. Now we're making our way over to the other kingdom of magic. I'm going to be very disappointed if we get there and the specific food item that we want to get isn't available. I'm going to be sad. But either way, we're still going to have fun. We're going to walk around, maybe watch some fireworks. Maybe not, because we saw them last time we were there. Might ride Splash Mountain. That's fun. So, yeah. I think we're done here. On to the next one. We'll see you guys in the next video.